Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 3005, count elements with maximum frequency. So I'm going to read out the spec here. It says you're given an array nums consisting of positive integers. Return the total frequency of elements in nums such that those elements all have the maximum frequency. The frequency of an element is the number of occurrences of that element in the array. So in here the output is 4 because elements 1 and 2 have a frequency of 2, which is the maximum frequency in the array. So the number of elements in the array with the maximum frequency is 4. So, in this example here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the elements in the array have a frequency of 1, which is the maximum. So the number of elements in the array with the maximum frequency is 5. Constraints, it says that there's going to be between 1 and 100 numbers, and each number is going to be between 1 and 100 in that list of numbers. So, I'm going to go over to my notes here and write down any ideas. I think what we have to do is, first of all, use a dictionary to hold occurrences. And what we'll do is iterate through nums to create dictionary. And it's just going to be a key pair with key being number and the value being amount of occurrences. Next thing I would do is find the maximum key in the dictionary. This will be our max occurrences, or max occurrence. Find the amount of numbers in the dictionary, or find the max value in the dictionary. This is our max occurrence. Find the amount of numbers in the dictionary which share that same key. Return the amount of numbers multiplied by the amount of occurrences. Cool. So let's take this and try and implement it. So we've got this. What we're going to do is we're going to use the dictionary to hold the occurrences. So occurrences is going to be equal to this dictionary here. And we're going to iterate through nums. So for num in nums, what we're going to say is if num in occurrences, we're going to say occurrences at index num is going to be equal to 0, or it's going to be equal to 1. Else we're going to say occurrences at index num is going to be incremented by 1. Next thing we need to do is find the max value in a dictionary, which is something I don't know how to do, so we're going to do find max value in dictionary Python. Getting the key with the maximum value. Okay, this is here, so we can use max here. Max occurrence is going to be equal to okay. So for instance, for the example one, we should get oh, I spelled this wrong. Run again. Key error 1. There's an error here. So for num and nums, if num in occurrences, its value is going to be equal to 1, otherwise increment it by 1. Let's print num here. Oh, so not in. Sorry, got the logic the wrong way around there. Another spelling mistake. So we get 1 printed here. Okay, so we get that 1 is the item with the most occurrences, which is true, but so is 2. So then we have to iterate again. So for num in, or for occurrence in occurrences, we can say if occurrence is equal to occurrences, or if a occurrence dot value is equal to occurrence at index, or is equal, or occurrence dot value is equal to max underscore is equal to max underscore occurrence, then we will, what will we do? If these are the same, we'll just do increment count. And then we're going to return max occurrence multiplied by the count. Int has no, for occurrence in occurrences, let's print occurrence. We get 1. Okay, can we just say if occurrence at a in occurrences with the key of occurrence is equal to max occurrence, count is incremented by 1? Would that work? Let's see. Let me print occurrences here. I'm going to make sure this is correct. So this should be equal to the amount of occurrences for each of these. Okay, so is this correct as well? So we get max occurrences as 1, which is false. So we need to do a occurrences at at this at this index. So we need to do this here. There we go. Test case is accepted. So if we go ahead and submit this now, it should all pass. Perfect. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. And yep, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.